Guys, how are everyone? I hope you are all well. So my name is Hasnain Sheikh. I'm from X-Man Belts who work with the Chris Tatton and Nick Carnival. So X-Man Belts have completed all of these 6 belts today. So just decided to do a video to show off you guys these belts before shipping them out. So let's start our review. The first one is the single layer all gold winged eagle with a 24K real gold plating plus thicker twisted sidebars. And it also has a premium leather. At the top it says WWF block logo. Underneath it has a world banner painted with a black color, and here's a globe with the eagle, and globe has a blue color in it and a heavyweight banner, and at the bottom it has a wrestling champion banner. Around on the right and left sides you can see the 2 wrestlers, thicker twisted sidebars on the both sides, and the bigger side plate says WWF block logo at the top, 2 wrestlers in the middle. Same on the smaller side plate, and same on the left side. It has a premium leather, as you guys can see, the premium leather with the X-Man belt, substantial stamping, 24K real gold plated snaps with the hand tooling in the snap boxes, WWF champion property plate with the stamping on the logo on the leather, male side snaps, 24K real gold plated snaps, and also check out the curve on this thing. Now moving towards the second one, it's a AEW triple layer dual plated AEW unified belt with a 24K real gold plating plus CZ stones plus premium leather. So at the top it has a stacked AEW letters painted with the black color, and 4 globes, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, and in the middle of the plate here you guys can see the crown, and it is also stacked. So stacked means set of 2 plates on the top of the each other, and it has a CZ stones, 2 lines, 1 line here and 1 line here, one on the right and one on the left, and it has a banner underneath the AEW words. One says unified painted with a black, and the bottom one says champion. Stones here, and in the crown it has a purple and white CZ stones. The first side plate says Rainmaker Kazuchika Okada, at the top AEW, and the CZ stones also, side plates are also in the triple layer. As you guys can see, this one is the first layer, this one is the second layer, and this one is the third layer, and these side plates are attached with the screws from the front, and these side plates are fixed but are also in the 3 layers. 2 wrestlers painted with the black color. Same here, Rainmaker side plate, and the second one is with the 2 wrestlers painted with the black color. It has a beautiful AEW stamping on the leather with a premium tooling. Same on the right side, and sealed edges. Sealed edges also on this one. All 6 belts have a sealed edges. Third one is the block logo of LIC on the purple strap with a 24K real gold plating. Top of it says World Wrestling Federation painted with the black color. 6 stones, 3 at the right and 3 at the left. And under the WWF logo, it has a globe painted with a sky blue color. And here is a banner which says Intercontinental painted with the black color. And at the bottom, the plates has the words which says Champion painted with the black color. On the right side, it has a North America and South America side plates with a globe in the middle of the plate painted with a sky blue color. Smaller side plate says Asia and Australia with a map in the middle of the plate with a sky blue color, and it has a property plate which says WWF logo at the top and Intercontinental Heavyweight Champion 1998 JMR painted with a black color. It has a standard leather with a 24K real gold plated snaps, and the left side plate says Europe, Africa, WWF logo at the top, and Antarctica. X-Man belt stamping with a 24K real gold plated snaps. The fourth one is the custom fantasy football design based on the wing eagle. At the top it has a PNB logo painted with the, and also the American football. Pot and blue banners is stacked, as you guys can see. Same eagle as it is on the wing eagle with the blue globe. Fantasy football banner, champion banner at the bottom with a thicker twisted sidebars, and on the side plate it has an American football on all 4 side plates at the top and in the middle. It has a bottle logo, as you guys can see, fantasy football logo. It also has a premium leather with X-Men belt stamping, premium hand tooling in the snap boxes, property plate here. It has a gold tip and the snaps. Next one is the AEW International with a 24K real gold plating. AEW stamping, all elite AEW wrestling stamping with a 24K real gold plated snaps. And the last one is the RIC Flair Tag Team. WWF logo at the top with a bird at the top, eagle at the top, and the globe here with painted with a dark blue color, and the letter says word painted with a black color. It has a banner with the 3 stones. Beautiful designing here, 2 wrestlers in the crown, same on the right side. And the bottom banner says wrestling champion painted with a black color. WWF logo, 2 wrestlers here, same on the left side. RIC Flair property plate and the stamping on the leather underneath it, and it also has a gold tip. So also all of these belts are 4mm zinc with a 24K real gold plating. Some of them have a premium leather and some of them have a standard leather, and all of these belts have a sealed edges. As I recently posted the videos of the sealed edges already on our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. On all the platforms I have posted the video, and all of these belts are 4mm zinc. And now also let me show you guys the backing of these belts. It has a simple black backing, it has a black rock backing, this one has a simple black backing, this one also has a simple black backing, this one has a simple maroon backing as a ring accurate, and this one has a simple black backing. So guys, if you wanna get any belt made, you can just send us a message on the messenger, or you can join our group at Facebook with the name X-Men Belts, Instagram X-Men Belts, YouTube X-Men Belts, TikTok X-Men Belts, and our Gmail is xmenbelts3@gmail.com. Half down to start the process and other half when the belt will complete. Online since 2020, your trusted source for the high quality belts, backed by the 5 years of online expertise. And we provide every step updated pictures, like first of all artwork updated pictures for your approval, then etching, then cutting, then polishing, then gold plating, then paint, and then the leather completed updated photos, and then the final belt updated pictures. And yeah, half down to start the process and other half when the belt will complete. So if you are looking for any belt, and we also do the custom belts like we did here, custom fantasy football. So if you want to get any belt made, you can just send us a message and we will absolutely make it for you. Thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day. Take care.